Good morning. Where? Where? Good morning. Oh, look. Where? You want to take off your sleeve? Yeah. Oh, you're blessed. Bless. Yeah. Are you downstairs? Yeah. Yeah. Itchy, itchy, itchy. Okay, we'll lotion you up, buddy. So this is Hank's shrine. It's probably been 4 months since he's passed. We still miss him very much, and we light incense for him every single day. Wanna help Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it. I like your shirt, Anderson. Okay, gentle. Okay, you gonna put it up there? I miss you, Hanky. Yeah. Okay, let go. Okay, good job.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you watching, Anderson? Thomas the Train. Okay, Daddy's gonna go to work, okay? Okay, that's a little bit better. Alright, so today is Friday, August 21st. I am driving into work today. Been vlogging all morning. Right now it's pretty uncomfortable for me to carry around a camera, but you know what? I'm gonna reframe it as a comfort challenge. You know, it's getting comfortable with feeling uncomfortable. If I want to really achieve the things that I know I can. Kien's coming by today. We're going to discuss the workshop that he's going to be hosting. I'm super grateful for Kien for helping with everything, and I'm so grateful for making this connection and building this friendship and this relationship so close to him leaving for Nova Scotia. But things kind of have a funny way of working out. Pretty action-packed day, but this is going to be the first of many. Day in the life of Kodawari, or building Kodawari. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content, and Cindy can help me edit out all the awkwardness, all the gaps, and make it really easy on the eyes. Oh. Good morning. All right, this is the first official vlog. What's up? What's up, team?
Yo,
what's up?
Nice. What's up?
So
Happy Friday.
I've spent the whole morning trying to get used to setting up
You got
all
trouble.
the angles and stuff. What?
You got trouble, didn't you?
Trouble setting this thing up?
Yeah.
Oh no, this thing's easy. This thing's easy. This thing just swivels on, you press record, that's fine. It's just getting the angles right. Alright, so first things first is filling out our daily 3 things that we're grateful for.
Yeah, man.
We're just having our morning huddle. We're also introducing Kien to the team, and he's gonna kind of talk a little bit about his story, his career, and just give a quick introduction to that as we learn more about him and as we try to learn more about paint and the whole industry of collision repair, auto repair, paint, and all that.
Kien, take it away.
Okay. I'm not sure how in depth you want to go here.
Just give a quick intro of your career and then your story.
So hi everyone. My name is Kien. A lot of people call me Kien. A lot of people just go with Kien because they can't pronounce it. But anyway, I am currently a painter at Mercedes-Benz. I've been there for 2 years, but my career wasn't always that luxurious. I started off washing cars. Actually, I started off doing a lot of minimum wage jobs. I have a university degree, couldn't do anything with that. I was doing factory work, and I went around and I started begging people for work. It's a pretty sad time in my life, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So, luckily enough, Tom was working at Acura. He was the body shop manager, and I happened to call him up and beg him for a job, and coincidentally, he was gonna fire somebody that day. Just a car wash kid. And you know, it's still a minimum wage job again, but I saw opportunity there. Sometimes I'd wash like 40 cars a day, and then some days there weren't 40 cars to wash, so I'd have some extra leftover time to help out in other departments. So that's where I had an opportunity to sand some parts of cars. So what we call that in our industry is it's prepping, getting it ready for paint. So I did that for about 9 months, and I really liked it, and I could see a future in it, so I pursued it. I actually left that job and went over here behind you guys and continued just doing that full-time now. No more washing cars. So yeah, I did that for a few years, and I progressed. I started seeing that I was actually getting better, and then when my boss wouldn't, he would cap me off at a certain wage, right? And I didn't like that. I knew I was worth more. So for the next several years, that's what I did. I would leave places to better myself, to make more income, make more hourly wage. I climbed all the way up to $25 an hour, and I thought I could go even more, and people wouldn't pay that. So I ended up going into something called a different pay system. It's called flat rates. So now I would get paid by the job rather than hourly. And I excelled tremendously at that. I worked at my own pace, and whatever I could produce each day is what I'm going to get paid. And I really liked that because I worked really hard. Up to my last final days here at Mercedes-Benz, I was working 10, 12-hour days, 6 days a week, and the paychecks were massive. But I found that I wasn't doing much with life. I was working all the time. You know, I went from school to work to work to work to work up till now. But this whole quarantine thing really taught me a lot that, hey, there's more to life than just working. But in terms of paint, I've become an expert at prepping and painting.
Just finished with our morning huddle / media meeting, right? I think there was a lot of really valid points, and Kien sat in, gave a lot of different, perspective. So we're just gonna sit down right now and talk about the workshop on Monday. Right? Maybe just an introduction to paint.
Paint, and maybe a little bit about collision in general.
Yeah.
So it's a big industry.
All this. Oh, there's a stain on this one.
Oh, that's Wesley's thing.
Oh, okay.
Why did you come back?
Wow.
Oh, yeah, yes, it's
I know. I was there last night when they were putting this together, and I actually really like this.
I love this.
Yeah, that's dope.
Nice job, Sherry.
We're gonna head out.
Have fun.
So,
what you guys got planned, yo?
we're gonna go to check out my Civic.
Nice.
The one that's getting painted. Kien's gonna kind of help me inspect the job that's getting done. Check it out, so that way, if there's any kind of issues that we have with the car, we can kind of let them know. And then we're gonna go visit Fix Auto and kind of introduce our business to the owners over there, because Kien said they're a paint shop that has a very passionate young painter.
Yeah.
So if he can kind of be our plug, that our neighbor that we can send work to get painted, that would be amazing. We just finished lunch. We grabbed some Leela's. That was after we got back from checking out my 8th gen Civic, right? And now we're heading over to Fix Auto to kind of meet a contact that Kien has. They're just a paint shop, auto body shop.
Yep, a collision shop.
Yeah.
But it's just around the corner, so maybe it'd be a good idea to have a relationship with some of the local people.
We just got back from Fix Auto. He kind of gave us a tour of the shop a little bit. but I wasn't really able to record much of it. Yeah, we're just gonna wrap up the day. It's been pretty eventful. I wish I was able to capture a lot more, but it's a work in progress and I'm gonna try and be better. It's been a good day. Met some pretty interesting people, right? Got to see my red Civic. I don't see that car being ready in time for fall. It's probably gonna be a winter project. Hopefully we're able to create a lot of content from it because I do miss that car, I do miss that generation. It occupied a big chunk of my journey being a car enthusiast and loving Hondas. So let's try this again next Friday and see how the vlog goes.